Hi, my name is Lowen Zhang and people call me Leono.
Hi, my name is Aishat and this is a group presentation about blog. Uh, the blog's process we decided on based on architecture site. After a lengthy discussion, we thought of basing it based on only in interior because it will take too much time if we are going to talk both together.
As for the design of our blog, we have picked the name Typewriter because we are simply just typewriting a blog for our readers to read. And for our About Us section, we have picked yellow color as a background color so that it will attract reader to read more about us, the writers. As for the blog section, we have picked a less saturated color accompanied by black fonts so that the reader will have a easier time to read the words of our blog and it will not strain their eye over other colors. For my blog entry, I have chosen the hotel Grand Center Point Space, which is in Pattaya, Thailand, because I'm quite a big fan of futuristic design, and this hotel is actually full of futuristic design. In fact, this hotel is designed based on space and galaxy concepts. And I choose to review the entrance and the waiting area of this hotel because this is the most attractive space for me in the hotel.
So the one I chose was Outrigger Fushibaru because it's like suits me, it relates to me, and it is eye-catching to me. It describes more of a relaxed and tropical side of my life if you want to know more about our country. What we have learned through creating this blog is that we learn how to use better English and we know how a blog looks or written like. Also, we know how to use Google Sites for the future purpose.
We could do more improvement on our blog. First thing is we might be able to pick a more complex design for our blog to make it more nice and maybe it will attract more readers. And the other thing is that maybe we can have a opportunity to visit the places ourselves and take a photo of the place, and maybe a more nice photo will attract more readers for our blog. We can also use better English next time if there's any place that we can improve ourselves on.